The question is to find the limit. Here we have limit as x approaches 1 from left-hand side. If we substitute 1 for x, then our denominator will be equal to 0, right? If only the denominator is equal to 0 but not the numerator, then this rational function has a vertical asymptote at x equal 1, right? So we have vertical asymptote at x equal 1, right? Now what we can do is we can assign a value near the asymptote to predict the direction of the graph. In this problem, since x is approaching 1 from left-hand side, I can assign a value maybe 0.9, a value that is close enough to this asymptote, but less than this value. Does it make sense? So if x is equal to 0.9, our function value, 1 over x minus 1, that is equal to 1 over 0.9 minus 1, so that's negative 10, right? If we assign a closer value, closer to 1, maybe 0.99, then 1 over x minus 1 is 1 over 0.99 minus 1, that's going to be a negative 100, right? If x is 0.999, then this is going to be equal to negative 1000. Do you guys see that? So as x approaches 1 from left-hand side, the function 1 over x minus 1 approaches negative infinity. Does that make sense? So the limit as x approaches 1 from left-hand side, 1 over x minus 1 approaches negative infinity.